You're not lazy. You're exhausted. There's a big difference. Lazy people don't care. But you care. You want to change. You want to improve. You want more from life. You're just tired. Tired from overthinking. Tired from trying without results. Tired from carrying pressure no one sees. And when you're drained, discipline feels impossible. So let's talk about energy. Because productivity isn't about motivation. It's about managing your energy. You can't build a powerful life on an empty battery. Most people blame themselves for being lazy, when really they're running on zero sleep, bad food, negative thoughts, and constant distractions. That's not laziness. That's burnout. So instead of asking, "What's wrong with me?" start asking, "How do I recharge?" Fix your sleep. Clean up your diet. Move your body. Protect your focus. Limit negative input. Do that and watch what happens. Your drive comes back. Your clarity returns. Your discipline feels lighter. Energy creates action. Action creates confidence. Confidence changes lives. Stop attacking yourself. Start rebuilding yourself. Small resets every day create massive comebacks. You don't need a new personality. You need better habits. You don't need more motivation. You need more energy. So take care of your mind. Take care of your body. Take care of your focus. Because the version of you that wins is not the one who tries harder. It's the one who recovers better. If you're done blaming yourself and ready to rebuild your energy, like the video, subscribe, and comment rebuild.